Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello everyone, today you are going to learn about how to create this awesome text gradient in Canva, so let's get started. Let's add a new page first. We are also going to create this design, so stay tuned till the end. Click on the element, search frames. Now add alphabet one by one. Adjust all frames. Now let's add the gradient effect. Click on elements and search for the gradient. Here is a quick tip for you all. If you want a particular color effect, just click on this icon and select color. Let's check the final output now. Thank you for watching. Get an amazing free template, check out the description box.